All right, my friends, Andrew here, and in this video, we are going to share with you how to log in and create your first pipeline inside of the CloudKey CRM. You should have already installed your Chrome extension. If, of course, you have not done that, make sure that you do. This is going to help you log into the the CRM, and then help you create the first pipeline, which we will be connecting to Facebook in the next video. So to do this, all you're going to need to do here is click on the button here to log into the CRM. What that's going to do is it's going to look just like this page here. Okay, so you're going to put your email address and your password. You should have been emailed a password. If you were not emailed your password, simply reach out to our support team. We'll make sure to reset that for you so that you can get a new password. Now, once you have logged into the CRM, it's going to look just like this. You're going to land first on a dashboard that's going to look very similar to this. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a pipeline and an opportunity stage. It's going to show up on your dashboard here, and it's going to show you how much revenue you're going to be able to generate through those different stages. Don't worry if you understand what I'm saying. You'll see it in just a moment. The launch pad right here is going to give you all of the settings and all the basic settings of your account. We'll go through this in another video, but for the most part, these are all of the things that you're going to want to go through step by step in order to get your account set up for its full featured use. For our purposes here today, we're going to choose the opportunities here on the left-hand side. Just simply open this up, and you're going to see that there is a screen here that's going to demonstrate or display the opportunities that you currently have. Brand new account, you're not going to have any. So what you're going to do here is you're going to choose the pipelines, and then we're going to add a new pipeline. Now, in this particular case, we're going to name this whatever it is that we're going to choose for our first pipeline. Now, for demonstration purposes, for learning purposes, all we're going to do is go in here and we are going to type in basic pipeline. Okay. This is going to be for brand new people who are going to be starting to market to on Facebook, and we're going to bridge these individuals into the CRM directly from within the Facebook Messenger and with posts that they're interacting with on our Facebook profile. All of these things are going to be trained in the training that you're going to access once you get everything set up. But for the most part, this training is specifically to help you get the function set up, the foundation laid, and then we're going to get into more detailed training. So our first stage name here is going to be cold lead. And this is going to be the action. So you can show on a pie chart or you can show in a funnel diagram on that dashboard that we shared in the very beginning of the call. Next stage here, we're going to go here to warm lead. Okay. And then we're going to add another stage and we're going to do hot lead. So here we have three different stages. So a person who doesn't know anything about us, a person who's a little bit warmed up, they know who we are, they know what we're offering, and a person who is ready to make a purchase from us. And again, this pipeline stage, we can show this in a visible funnel chart or a visible pie chart. This is for the entire pipeline set. Each of these actions over here will be for the individual. You'll be able to set those individually as well here. So if we click save, what we're going to see when we go back to our dashboard is we're going to see again, basic pipeline stage distribution. So this is where your pipeline, this is where your funnel diagram is going to be, and this is where your pie chart is going to be. Obviously, we don't have anybody in our funnel stages yet, so there's not going to be any information in these stages. You'll be able to set your dollar values, all kinds of cool stuff. We're not going to get into that in this video because it's just going to lead into a rabbit hole. We want to make sure that we get everything connected. So now that we have created our pipeline stages, you're going to notice when we go back to our opportunities that we have our cold lead, warm lead, and hot lead. And then, of course, the value of all the leads in each of these stages is going to be calculated and displayed to us so we know how well our efforts are working. So this is actually it. This is all you're going to have to do to create your first pipeline stages and set up the opportunities so that we can next connect this to our CloudKey CRM, to our Facebook profile through the Messenger Pro Chrome extension. We're going to show you how to do that in the next video. So if you have any questions, comments, and or concerns about what we went through in this video, reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help and we'll get you on the way. Have a great day.